Hello students, welcome to my class. In today's class, we will continue with the chapter Trigonometric Functions of class 11. So in the previous video, we have learned principal solution and general solution of a trigonometric equation, and we have discussed 5 questions in exercise 3.4. Today we will see the 6th question. So question number 6, find the general solution for each of the following equations. So 6th question is cos 3x plus cos x minus cos 2x is equal to 0. So here if you see, there are 3 terms here in this equation, trigonometric equation. So what we have to do, we will group these 2 terms together and we will use the identity cos x plus cos y. Okay. So here what is formula for cos x plus cos y? Cos x plus cos y is equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. So this is the identity, this is the formula. This formula we are going to use here. So in this place we will write 2 cos x, in the place of x and y we have 3x and x. So x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2, that is 3x minus x by 2 minus this third term, that is cos 2x is equal to 0. Now we will simplify this, that is 2 cos 3x plus x is 4x, 4x by 2, that is 2x. So 2 cos 2x into cos, here 3x minus x is 2x, 2x by 2 is cos x. Okay, so 2 cos 2x into cos x minus cos 2x is equal to 0. Now you see here, from these 2 terms we can take cos 2x common outside. So cos 2x into, what you will get here, 2 cos x minus 1 equal to 0. Now if you see here, we got the product of 2 factors. Now left side we have the product of 2 factors. So what we will do, we can equate each factor to 0 for getting the general solution. So first we will equate cos 2x is equal to 0. It's meaning either cos 2x is equal to 0 or 2 cos x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we will consider the first equation, when for which angle cos value is 0. So we have already discussed this in the introduction part. So cos 2x equal to 0 means what is the value of 2x? So cos value is 0 for odd multiple of pi by 2. Okay, so cos trigonometric function will become 0 for odd multiple of pi by 2. So we can write here 2x. 2x is our angle. Okay, so 2x is equal to odd multiple of pi by 2, that is 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, where n belongs to z. So this is actually the value of 2x. From this we will find out the value of x. So we will take this 2 to the side. Okay, so x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 4. When we take this 2 to right side, it will come in the denominator. So we can write 2n plus 1 into pi by 4, where n belongs to z. So this is the solution for the first one. Okay, first equation. Now we will consider the second equation. Here we have 2 cos x is equal to, so we will write or 2 cos x is equal to 1. So what is the value of cos x then? Cos x is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so cos is positive. We got cos is equal to plus 1 by 2. So for which angle cos value is 1 by 2? 60 degree. So we can write cos x is equal to cos 60 degree, that is pi by 3. Okay, so we can write cos x is equal to cos pi by 3. Now we will use the theorem. In the previous class we have discussed 3 theorems for finding the general solution. So in that we have studied, if cos x is equal to cos y, then x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus y, where n belongs to z. So this is the theorem. So here if you see, cos x is equal to cos pi by 3. So what is in place of y? Pi by 3. So we can write x is equal to 2 n pi plus or minus pi, y value is pi by 3, okay, where n belongs to z. So we got the value of x in each equation. So this is the general solution. So we can write the solution as x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 4, or this is the another solution, 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3, where n belongs to z. So this is our answer. Okay, now we will see the next question. Now 7th question, sin 2x plus cos x is equal to 0. Here how will you find the general solution? Here the first term, if you see sin 2x, so we have already studied a formula, sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. This identity we have already studied. This we will use in the first term, in the place of first term. Okay, so 2 sin x into cos x plus cos x is equal to 0. Why we are substituting like this? Because we need the product of two factors. Then only we can equate each factor to 0 and we can find out the general solution. So in the place of sin 2x, we are substituting 2 sin x into cos x. Now from these two terms, we can take cos x outside, common outside. So what is remaining in the first term? 2 sin x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now you see here we got the product of two factors. The product of two factors equal to 0. That means cos x is equal to 0 or 2 sin x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now if you solve each equation, we will get the general solution of the given trigonometric equation. So here you see the first equation is cos x is equal to 0. So for which angle cos value is 0? For the odd multiple of pi by 2, cos value is 0. So we can write x is equal to odd multiple of pi by 2, that is 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, where n belongs to z. So this is the answer for the first equation. Now we will consider the second equation, that is 2 sin x is equal to, this plus 1 we will bring to right side, so it will become minus 1. So sin x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So here you see we need if you want to find out the general solution, we have to find out first one principal solution. So see here sin value is negative. In which quadrant sin is negative? So we will see now first, second, third and fourth. So in first and second quadrant sin is positive, so sin is negative in a third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So we will find out the angle in the third quadrant. What is the formula? How will you find out angle in third quadrant? The formula is pi plus x, and in the fourth quadrant the formula is 2 pi minus x. So any one of these value we will calculate now. So sin x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 means for which angle sin value is 1 by 2? 30 degree. So sin x is equal to, we can write minus sin pi by 30 degree means pi by 6. So what is the value of x here? X is equal to pi by 6. Now we will find out the angle in the third quadrant, that is sin, we can write here sin x is equal to, we can write sin pi plus, what is the value of x? Pi by 6. Okay, so we will simplify this, that is sin. So this value is nothing but minus 1 by 2 only. Okay, sin pi plus pi by 6 value is minus 1 by 2. Now we will simplify here using LCM. So 6 pi plus pi is 7 pi by 6. Okay, so sin x is equal to sin 7 pi by 6. Now we have to use the theorem. What is the theorem? Sin x is equal to sin y. Then what is the value of x? N pi plus minus 1 the whole power n into y, where n belongs to z. So this is our theorem. If we have sin x is equal to sin y, then x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 the whole power n into y. So here if you see sin x is equal to sin y. So in the place of y what we have? 7 pi by 6. So we will use that theorem. So we can write x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 the whole power n into y place we will write 7 pi by 6 comma where n belongs to z. So this is the solution. So we will combine these two solutions together. So the general solution of the given equation is x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, or we will write this equation, this value n pi plus minus 1 the whole power n into 7 pi by 6 where n belongs to z. So this is the solution of the given equation. Now we will see the next question. Question number 8, sec square 2x is equal to 1 minus tan 2x. Okay, so here in this question, if you see, we have two trigonometric ratios, that is sec and tan. These two ratios are involved in this equation. So we will change x formula, sec square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x. So in the left side, we will use this identity. So we can write 1 plus tan square 2x. So here we have angle 2x. So we will write tan square 2x. Okay, which is equal to 1 minus tan 2x. Now we will simplify this. This 1 and 1 will get cancelled, and we will take this minus tan 2x to the left side. Okay, so tan square 2x plus tan 2x is equal to 0. Now from these two terms we can take tan 2x outside. Okay, so what is the remaining term? Tan 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now if you see, we got the product of two factors, so we can take either this first factor is equal to 0 or the second factor is equal to 0. So we can write tan 2x is equal to 0 or tan 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we will find out the answer for the first one, solution for the first equation. Here tan 2x we can write as sin 2x by cos 2x. Okay, so sin 2x by cos 2x is equal to 0. We will take this cos 2x to the right side. So what we will get? Sin 2x is equal to 0 into cos 2x, which is equal to 0. So sin 2x is equal to 0. So for which angle? Sin trigonometric value is 0 for the integral multiple of pi. So we can write this angle 2x should be an integral multiple of pi. In that case only sin value will become 0. So here n belongs to z. So from this, what is the value of x? N pi by 2, where n belongs to z. So for the first equation we got the answer. Now we will simplify. We will find out the solution for the second one. So here tan 2x is equal to minus 1. So see here, tan value is negative. In which quadrant? Tan value is negative. First, second, third and fourth. So in third and first quadrant tan is positive. So the second and the fourth quadrant only tan is negative. In second quadrant, how will you find out the angle? Pi minus x. In the fourth quadrant, 2 pi minus x is the formula. So we are going to find out the angle in the second quadrant. So for that, first we will write tan 2x is equal to minus 1. So for which angle tan value is 145 degree, that is minus tan pi by 4. So we got here x is equal to pi by 4. Okay, now we are going to write this as tan 2x is equal to, instead of this minus 1 we can write the angle in second quadrant, that is pi minus pi by 4, because this angle is also minus 1 only. Now we will simplify. So tan 2x is equal to tan of 4 pi minus pi, that is 3 pi by 4 is equal to minus 1. So we got here the theorem. Now we have to use the theorem. What is the theorem? If tan x is equal to tan y, then x is equal to n pi plus y, where n belongs to z. So this is the theorem. So we are going to use this theorem here. Okay, So here in the place of x we have 2x and in the place of y we have 3 pi by 4. So using that theorem we can write 2x is equal to n pi plus 3 pi by 4 where n belongs to z. So actually this is the value of 2x, but we have to find out the value of x. So we will take 2 to right side. So each term we will divide by 2. So n pi by 2 plus 3 pi by 8 where n belongs to z. Now we will combine these two. So this is actually the answer. Now we will combine these two values of x. Therefore the solution is x is equal to n pi by 2 or n pi by 2 plus 3 pi by 8 where n belongs to z. So this is how you have to find out the general solution. Now we will see the last question in this exercise. We'll see now. So question number 9. Sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x is equal to 0. Here if you see, we will group first and the third term together, so that when we use the identity we will get sin 3x as common and we can take common outside. Okay, so we are going to group first and the last third term together. So sin x plus sin 5x plus sin 3x is equal to 0. So here we will use sin x plus sin y identity. So what is the formula? Sin x plus sin y, 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. So this is the formula. So this formula we are going to use here. So 2 sin x plus 5x by 2 into cos x minus 5x by 2 plus sin 3x is equal to 0. Now we will simplify this, that is 2 sin, here x plus 5x is 6x by 2 is 3x. So we can write sin 3x into cos x minus 5x. X minus 5x is minus 4x. Minus 4x by 2 is minus 2x. Cos of minus 2x is cos 2x, positive only. So cos 2x plus sin 3x is equal to 0. Now from these two terms we can take sin 3x common. So sin 3x into 2 cos 2x plus 1. See here, now we got the product of two factors. So each factor we can equate to 0. So we can write either sin 3x is equal to 0 or 2 cos 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So for the first equation if we see, so for which angle sin trigonometric ratio is 0? For the integral multiple of pi. So we can write here 3x is equal to n pi where n belongs to z. From this what is the value of x? N pi by 3. Okay, where n belongs to z. Now we will consider the second equation. So 2 cos 2x is equal to minus 1. So what is the value of cos 2x? Minus 1 by 2. So cos value we got as negative. So in which quadrant cos value is negative? Second quadrant. And in second quadrant how will you find the angle? Pi minus x. So first we will find out x value. So cos 2x is equal to minus 1 by 2. For which angle? Cos value is 1 by 2 cos 60 degree. That is cos pi by 3. 60 means 180 by 3, that is pi by 3. So from this we can write x is equal to, so we can write here cos pi by 3 is equal to, we will write like this, cos pi by 3 value is equal to 1 by 2. So x is equal to pi by 3. Okay, now we will find out the angle in the second quadrant. So cos 2x is equal to cos pi minus pi by 3. These two, this answer is also 1 by 2 only. Now we will simplify this. So cos 2x is equal to, what you will get? Cos 3 pi minus pi, that is cos 2 pi by 3. Now we will use the theorem. What is the theorem? If cos x is equal to cos y, cos x is equal to cos y, then x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus y where n belongs to z. So this is the theorem. If cos x is equal to cos y, then x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus y. So we will use the theorem here. So you will get 2x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus 2 pi by 3. So here from this we will find out the value of x. X is equal to, we will divide each term by 2. So you will get n pi plus or minus pi by 3 where n belongs to z. Now we will write these two values of x together. That will give you the general solution. So x is equal to n pi by 3 or n pi plus or minus 5 by 3 where n belongs to z. So this is the general solution of the equation. So today we have completed how to find, we have learned how to find the general solution of a trigonometric equation. So in the next video we will learn a new concept. If you like my channel, you can share and subscribe. Your subscription, my motivation. Thank you, students.